Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Gavin Martin here with On Purpose Growth and the Breakthrough Sales Program. I hope you like the title of my video. To clarify, at no point that I remember anyway, have we claimed that our way, the Breakthrough Sales or On Purpose Growth way, that that's the only way. At no point have we claimed, or have I claimed, that I am the greatest salesperson in the world. Why would we make such a claim? So if you think that that's our claim, or that that's the image that we are looking to project, please kindly get that out of your head. That is not what it's about. To clarify, we are all in this together. I think the people who tend to watch these videos and who tend to work with us, they have a belief that continuous and never-ending improvement and growth is definitely possible. It's possible in our personal lives, it's possible at the company level, in our professional lives, and that one does not have to exclude the other. I think they also have the belief that for someone to win a sale does not mean that someone else had to lose a sale. Our competitors win deals that we would never benefit from taking in the first place. Their strengths and our strengths are two separate things. There's plenty of work to go around. There's plenty of business out there for all of us. I think it's a lot more valuable if we all learn and improve together and have more of a community approach to that than it is to look for the winners and losers. Our current political environment shows what happens when your goal is to win, and therefore your secondary goal is to make someone else lose. It creates a stuckness. It creates a lack of productivity. In the end, it shortchanges everyone, including the so-called winners. So, not that there's any way to know this for sure, but I'm going to say we're probably not head and shoulders the best there is in all situations for all people across all contexts. That would be a ridiculous claim. Anyway, wanted to clarify that through what is honestly a very raw video. I'll see you on the next one.